Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Thursday, January 17th of 2019. We do have a couple special announcements for today. The first announcement is for our January birthdays. Happy birthday to Roberto Ochoa and also Alex Taylor. So hopefully you have a great day today. And we don't have any other birthdays to announce until next week, in which we have a lot next week for birthdays. So we'll be having a couple days of special announcements for birthdays. Also, another special announcement is to let people know and let all the students know that if you want to compete in a competition to show off your culinary arts to be a future chef, this is the competition for you. So the Future Chefs Culinary Competition will be happening at Belvedere North High School on March 16th of this year. And if you'd like to participate in this event and get your recipe chosen to actually compete in this event, please complete the recipe cards and have them turned in by January 31st. You can talk to the cafeteria people that are working, and also you can come by the office if you want to get a recipe card if you want more details to enter into this. Also, as a special bonus, the winner of this event will have their recipe entered into a national competition in which you could even win more great prizes. So last year we had a couple students participate in Future Chefs, so it'd be great to have some more students from Perry represent us strong at Belvedere North this year. And who knows, maybe we will get somebody to be in the national competition. Speaking of food, lunch choices. So we have our 3 lunch choices for today: popcorn chicken bowl, cheeseburger, or fun on the run. And for today, we have our 4th grade students that are here to talk about things with our paws.
All right, 4th grade students today came up with some suggestions of what you can do for our paws. So we'll start out with Noah.
Pay attention and don't compare. Stay on task. Stay focused. Stay alert.
Great suggestions, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. And at this time, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please be standing. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, boys and girls in 4th grade, for the great announcements today for our pledge and our pause. Everyone have a great day, and remember, if you want to participate in Future Chefs, you can get more information from the cafeteria or from the office. Have a wonderful day.